Hey, what's up guys? Winston here, and today we can be building a budget Ryzen system for under $500. So a close friend of mine asked me if I could build a PC system for his daughter's schoolwork, but at the same time he could also use it for some light gaming. Now I've got plenty of spare parts and components, so I thought I'll come up with a PC system that actually suit his budget, and his budget was around about $500. So with a budget of $500, I came up with a list of components that include the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G with onboard Radeon graphics. We've also included the ASRock B450M Steel Ledger motherboard, as well as 16GB of DDR4 RGB RAM. And for storage, we have a 256GB M.2 SSD, and all of this is powered by a 550 watt power supply. So with a budget of $500, it's going to be very tight, but we managed to squeeze everything in. So the case was around about 40, the PSU 60, the RAM was about 45, motherboard around 75, and the most expensive part was the CPU. Of course, it has built-in Radeon, which is about $150. And to top it up, we have the SSDs as well as the ring fans. That brings us to the total of just below $500. And so with that said, it's going to be a fun system to build, and I can't wait to see how it looks and feels. Oh, and a reminder, this is actually for my friend's daughter, so it'll come with some nice color schemes. So let's begin, and I will see you in a bit. Alright, so we have all the components ready for our build. Over on the left, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G with built-in Radeon graphics. We also have the Patriot Viper DDR4 3000 in the RGB 16GB kit. And for the motherboard, we have the ASRock B450M Steel Ledger motherboard. And to power it up, we have a 550 watt silver power supply from FSP. And to top it up, we have the Thermaltake ring fangs. And inside the case end, we have the nice pink chassis. This one is micro ATX format, and we'll be fitting all these components inside this chassis and see how it works. So we'll see in a bit. I have to say, I really enjoyed building our budget PC, the Project Pink Storm. I was quite impressed with all the components I could get with a budget of only $500. During our build, I didn't encounter any real issues with compatibility, and all the components fitted nicely with plenty of room. At under $500, I must admit, this is one of the cheapest PC systems that I've actually had the pleasure to build. Not only does it offer decent performance, but you also have the choice to upgrade the system with a discrete graphics card, or add more RAM, and even upgrade the CPU to the latest 3rd generation Ryzen processor. The RGB lighting effects from the Thermaltake ring fan and the Patriot Viper RGB RAM match perfectly with the polychrome sync of the ASRock B450 Steel Ledger motherboard. It really makes the PC look exciting and attractive. The only thing that could make the system look even better is by replacing the stock CPU cooler with an AIO that has RGB. So it goes to show, you don't need to spend a fortune to build a PC system. Our Project Pink Storm costs under $500 in total, and although it doesn't come with a discrete graphics card, the onboard Radeon Vega 11 graphics was more than enough for everyday Windows use, and of course some occasional gaming. It's perfect for a family PC with plenty of room for expansion. You can check out the full build log on our website at funkykit.com. And there you have it, guys. That was a quick build of a budget gaming system based on the Ryzen 5 3400G with built-in Radeon graphics, offering decent performance and with room for expansion. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy all these components via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.